Heard that old song on the drive today. Felt like a scene from a silver screenplay. The melody's warm, but the memory's new. Every single note just leads me back to you. Every highway, every passing sign paints your picture right back in my mind. This is the soundtrack that will never die, playing on repeat beneath the summer sky. Every high note, every whispered word is the sweetest story that I've ever heard. And though the world keeps spinning on its way, it's still the music that I play today. This is our soundtrack, our sweet soundtrack. It's the one thing that always brings me back. I still remember dancing in the rain, singing off key, forgetting all the pain. We wrote our future on a far